Hi, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today my topic is exponents and powers. Before going to the topic, my dear students, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Dear students, we already learned some important formulas of loss of indices and loss of exponents in previous class. Today we are discussing about some example problems. First problem is 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. In 2 power 4 into 2 power 5, into is there between 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. When into is there, what is the formula I have to apply? It is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. A power m plus n. So my dear students, bases are equal, power should be added. At the same time, it can be written as 2 power 4 plus 5. What is the answer? 2 power 9. 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is the answer. At the same time, one more problem. 2 power 4 divided by 2 cube. It is also can be written as 2 power 4 by 2 cube. Then it is in the form of a power m by a power n. Here m value is greater than n value. First we observe m value. This is m value, this is n value. M value is greater than n value. If m is greater than n, if m is greater than n, what is the formula? A power m minus n. A power m minus n. So we have to apply the same formula. 2 power 4 minus 3. 2 power 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 can be written as 4 minus 3. We get 1. 2 power 1. What is the answer? 2. Next, 2 power 4 by 2 power 5. 2 power 4 by 2 power 5. Here, m is less than that of n value. Dear students, please listen. Look at the blackboard. What do you observe? 4 is lesser, 5 is greater. At the same time, 4 is in the place of m value, 5 is in the place of n value. So m is less than that of n value. So it can be written as 1 by what is the formula? A power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus m. A power n minus m. So we have to apply the same formula. 2 power 5 minus 4. What do we get? 1 by 5 minus 4 we get 1. So what is the answer? 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. The same problem, it is also written in the form of 2 power 4 by 2 power 5. It is also can be written as 2 power 4 minus 5. 2 power 4 minus 5 we get minus 1. 2 power minus 1 we say. Then 2 power minus 1, it is in the form of a power minus n. A power minus n. What is the answer? A power minus n can be written as a power minus n. It gets reciprocal, we get a power plus n. So it is also can be written as 1 by 2 power plus 1. Plus 1 becomes only 1. So we get 1 by 2. We get the same answer. Here we have to apply a power m by a power n. 1 by a power n minus n when n is greater than that of m value. So one more example. Four into 2 power minus 2 into 2 power minus 5. So 4 power. How to solve a problem? Listen, my dear students, more than 2 exponents is there. More than 2 exponents. In previous class we have to discuss about only 2 exponents. But here more than 2 exponents is there. But we observe into is there between 3 exponents. Into is there. At the same time when into is there, that means bases are equal, power should be added. So how to apply? Bases are equal, power should be added. 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 5 is there. Minus 2 minus 5. 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 5. What do we get? Minus 7 is there. 4 minus 7 we get 2 power minus 3. It is also in the form of, it is also 2 power minus 3 in the form of a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. A power minus is equal to, it is also in the form of 1 by 2 cube. Minus 3 becomes plus 3 when it gets reciprocal. When it gets reciprocal, it becomes a minus 3 becomes a plus 3. What do you get? 1 by 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2. What do we get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. Dear students, one more example. These are all very important in future classes for 7th class students, for 8th class students, 9th class students and the 10th class students also. These are all very important. Keep in mind. Don't forget, my dear students. 5th one. 3 power 0 plus 5 power 1 into 5 power minus 2. Very important. Then, my dear students, 3 power 0. 3 power 0. 3 power 0 in the form of a power 0 value. A power 0 means 1. A power 0 means 1. 3 power 0 means 1. 4 power 0 means 1. 10 power 0 means 1. 100 power 0 means 1. 1000 power 0 means 1. 1 lakh power 0 means 1 only. Keep in mind. So 3 power 0 means 1 only. 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 in the form of a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So it is also can be written as 1 by 5 into 5 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square. Minus 2 becomes plus 2 when it gets reciprocal. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Listen, my dear students. 1 plus 1 by 5 is a, do the cross multiplication. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 ones are 1 by 5 ones are 5 into 1 by 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 ones are 6 by 5 into 5 into 5. 6 by 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. This is the answer. This is the answer. Listen, one more example. X power minus n into x power minus 3 is equal to x power minus 6 is there. Find x value. Find x. That is a problem. Listen, here also we have to think about bases. Bases. First to think about this into is that between two bases. Bases are equal. Power should be added. Minus n minus 3 is equal to x power minus 6. Minus n minus 3. Do like that. Here, finally, what do you get? Here also, what do you observe? Here also, bases are equal. Here also, bases are equal. When bases are equal, power should be equal. Bases are equal. Powers should be equal. Power should be equal. That means x is equal to x minus n minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Sorry. Minus 3 goes to that side. Can be changed into minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 6. Minus 3 is there. Minus minus get cancelled. What is the answer? N is equal to 3. This is also very important in the future. This is also very important in the future. My dear students. Next, some more examples is there. Pi square whole cube into pi square whole square. Pi square whole square. Listen ma. Pi square whole cube in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. It can be written as a power mn. A power mn. Then it is also can be written as a power mn 2 into 3 into pi into 2 into 2. Here also what do we observe? Bases are equal, power should be added. Bases are equal, power should be added. 2 3s are 6 into 2 2s are 4. Bases are equal, power should be added. 6 plus 4, 10. That is answer. Listen, my dear students. This type of problems we have to discuss in this chapter. All the students, please listen carefully. Observe. Do you have any doubts? Ask me in the further classes. My dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.